History of Achar Gosht. Achar Gosht is a very popular Pakistani recipe. It celebrates the traditional cuisine of Uttar Pradesh and combines achari flavors with pickle and meat. In addition, it is a very popular dish for serving during weddings and celebrations. Generally speaking, Achar Gosht or Achari Gosht is made with tender meat which is cooked over a period of time. Ordinarily, the classic version of Achar Gosht involves mutton. However, today many variations of the curry exist. Take a yogurt in a separate bowl and add 1 tablespoon SIBU ACHARGOST masala in it, then mix it well. Now put 3 tablespoons mustard oil in a pan. Then add 3 chopped onions to it. One chopped green chilli. Now add 1 kilogram mutton pieces to it. Cover it for 6 to 7 minutes on medium flame. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Then mix it well. Now add 2 tablespoons SIBU ACHARGOST masala. One tablespoon salt. Two chopped tomatoes. Now add yogurt paste to it. Then mix it well. Add water as per need. Cover it for 7 to 8 minutes on medium flame. Now your dish ready to serve hot. Garnish with coriander leaves and ginger julienne for more flavor. SIBU cooking tips. How long should you cook mutton for? Cook until the fat begins to leave the sides of the mutton. This will take about 5 to 8 minutes, depending on the leanness of your meat. Remove from heat and serve hot.